If I had to start all over again online with no audience, no money, and no idea what I was doing, this is exactly what I'll focus on. And honestly, I wish someone explained it to me this simply when I was starting. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a social media strategist, and right now I'm building my agency while helping creators and brands grow online. And in this video, I'm breaking down how I would personally start making money online today, especially as a beginner. Because if I'm being honest, when I first started trying different businesses, I thought making money online was about finding the perfect idea. So I tried different things. Some worked a little and some completely failed. But looking back now, I realized the problem wasn't really the ideas. I just didn't understand how the online space actually worked. I didn't understand attention. I didn't understand content. I had no idea about it. And I definitely didn't understand systems. But now I've worked with clients, built my own brand, and spent time learning this space. And what I've realized is that most ways of making money online is actually connected. And they usually start with one thing: attention. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. So if I was starting over today, the very first thing I'll do is solve a problem online. It can be something like content creation, social media management, graphic designing, UGC, or copywriting, because these skills create opportunities. And honestly, this is how a lot of people get their first clients online. The second thing I'll do is to start creating content immediately. Not because I want to become famous, but because content is how people find you. And I think a lot of beginners wait until they feel ready. But the truth is, you learn so much faster by actually posting. Even if your content isn't perfect at first, just start posting. The next thing I'll do is to start learning about digital products. And if you are new here, digital product is something that you create once and sell multiple times online. It can be things like ebooks, templates, guides, and courses. And what I love about digital product is that they allow you to make money from knowledge or experience that you already have. Now, the next thing to do is to build a personal brand. This is the part most people underestimate the most. Your personal brand matters the most because people buy from people they trust, not people they don't. That's why I always say content is important, but positioning is everything. You want people to understand who you help, what you do, and why they should listen to you. Now, I want to say this: making money online is possible, but it's not instant. And I think social media sometimes makes it look easier than it actually is. There's consistency involved, there's learning involved, and there's trial and error involved. But once you understand how everything connects, it starts making a lot more sense. So if I was starting over in 2026, I would focus on learning a skill, creating content, building trust, and understanding how to turn attention into income. Honestly, that's exactly what I'm still doing now. If you want more videos about digital product, content creation, social media strategy, and building an online business, kindly subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.